Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. So now that your exams are finally done, so it's right time now to gear up for your next attempt, that is your March or June 2026 attempt. So do not waste your time. Take 1 week break and then start with your preparation for your next attempt. So at Super Infinity Education, we are committed to provide quality learning. So I'm excited to announce that our strategic business reporting batch for the next attempt, that is March or June 2026 attempt, is starting from this month, that is 14th of this month, that is the next week, that is Sunday. So the batch is starting. So any queries, you can connect with me or with Chinmay sir. Before that, we will be discussing in this video. In this video, I will walk you through each and everything which you should know about the SBR batch. So when we will start with the syllabus, when we will finish it, whether question practice will be done in the class or not, so whether doubt solving sessions will be there or not, each and everything we will be discussing in detail. So before moving forward, one important point is that the first 5 classes are free demo classes. You can attend, and if you like the teaching style, you can enroll for the batch. No issues in that. And the fees is what? So first of all, fees kitna hai, sir? The fees for your SBR batch is 14,000 rupees. Indian rupees, Indian currency, that is 14,000 rupees. Understand one important point, that this 14,000 rupees which we are charging is until you clear your paper. You can attend the live classes until you clear your SBR exam. Let's take your paid the fees for this quarter. So we did not give the exam for this quarter. Sir, can we attend the next quarter classes? Next attempt classes? Yes, beta, no issues. You need not pay any additional fees for attending the live classes until you clear your paper. Understand that? Yes, sir. So now, as mentioned, we will discuss in detail about the batch. What are the details about the batch? See now. So, your ACCA Strategic Business Report in March, June 2026. Faculty, myself, Rahul CV, I'm an ACCA affiliate, have been teaching FR and SBR from the past 1 year. So, I will be guiding you for your SBR exam. And when coming to the batch, understand one point when coming to professional level. When coming to professional level, it's totally different when coming to your skill level. In professional level, what are the 3 to 4 important points which I say to the students? Is that the first point is the exam technique that the examiner requires you to write. Then time management. It is very important that you manage your time properly, because when coming to professional level, a lot of students will struggle with time management. And how can you come up with this time management, sir? How can we avoid this, or how can we be good at time management? Through practice only. There is no other point. There is no other shortcut. Kuch shortcut nahi. Only one simple thing, that is practice, practice, practice. And understanding of the standard IS and IFRS. You should have a good understanding of the IS and IFRS. One important point. And one more thing is that when coming to professional level exams, be open to think. Think. It's not like your skill level ki sir ye syllabus hai. These are the 4 to 6 type of MCQ that regularly comes in the exam. We practice it, done. वैसा नहीं है इसमें. It's not that. You should be open to think. If you have done, let's take your covered IAS 16. You should know when should we recognize, at what value, etc. You should know the concept here. Concept clarity is very important in professional exams. Understand that? Yes, sir. So, what are the features of the batch? Understand that full syllabus will be covered. Your FR as well as SBR part, each and every standard will be covered. So there are some small standards which are not so important from the exam point of view. We will not discuss much. Yeah, what are the important points we will be discussing? Then see one important point. Why I say FR is also important. The standards of FR, IAS 16, IAS 40, because each and every attempt we have seen 10 to 12 marks from FR only. So your December attempt, the questions were a lot from IAS 16, revaluation. What is the cost of the asset? What are the expenses which are capitalized, which are taken to P&L? So each and every part is important. Then past papers, a lot of past papers will be covering in the class. As we do a topic, I will be mentioning, okay, this is the past paper which you have to do it. And if any doubt is there, we will discuss in the class. Then focus on time management. Time management is very important. As I mentioned, as we practice a lot of questions in the class, basic questions, which will build a base. Yes, sir. Then one full mock will be provided and evaluation will be done. Along with this, as you type out your answers, let's take, we have done IES 16. We have done PP. If there is any past paper relating to that, you will type out your answer and you will send me for valuation. So I'll guide you, keys. Okay, how can you increase your score? Is this perfect or not? In the allocated time, how can we get the maximum marks? That is important. And support will be there. Any doubts, you can message me. Within 24 hours, you will receive the reply, or I will call you if you're free. Yes, sir. Then a special SBR material, which I usually give to my students, and I will show you that. Automatically, you'll get an idea. Need not talk about this much. I will show you. Understand that when coming to the preparation, sir, my notes will be provided to you. Only one simple. For each standard, one note will be there. The board notes, it's enough. Other than this, nothing. No need to refer anything else. See now, this way. This is your what we say, your December batch notes. See, this is the way you'll be getting the board notes. You need to refer this one. Other than this, there is no other requirement to refer some other. Yeah, for understanding purpose, or if you want to get, if you want to read something, you can refer Study Hub or any other publication, or you can read the technical articles which are provided by ACCA. But if you refer the notes which we are using in the class, it's sufficient. It's sufficient. Yes, sir. See, as per each topic, I first explain with the concept, give an example. See, yes, then we take a basic example regarding that topic. Okay, this topic can be tested in your exam. So first we draw a flow chart. What are the topics which are very important from this standard? And these are the important steps, see, which are marked here. And these are the special cases from your revenue which are frequently tested in SBR also. So this way, these are the board notes you need to refer. It's enough. Other than this, nothing else is required. Yes, sir. So with this, the first part is clear regarding this one. Yes, sir. Then coming to the other things, sir. Sir, what is the special material which you have mentioned? See, this is your question bank regarding IFRS 13, fair value question bank. Now, how to answer IFRS 13 question? Whenever we learn a standard, I will give you, okay, there are 5 to 6 type of question that usually comes from this standard. Other than this, nothing comes. कुछ आता नहीं है. These are the 4 or 5 questions from this standard which are important. We will do the basic questions in the class, and then I will say you, okay, do this exam kit question and type it out and send me, because it will be same as we have done in the class, the basic question. So the basic questions which I take in the class, I take more than 120 or 140, 150 questions, I say. If you practice that 150 questions perfectly, your entire syllabus will be done, and along with that, your exam kit also will be covered. Yeah, exam kit, your past paper is for your reference purpose. If you see the answers which are provided by ACCA are too lengthy, you will not be able to write that. So for each type of question, we discuss, okay, how to frame the answer, what are the basic points which you have to write down. See, this is a type 1 question. So then type 2 question for non-financial asset, type 3 question regarding hierarchy of your IFRS 13, then type 4 question. Yes. And then questions are also there. See, and then past papers. This is a list of the past papers which you need to solve, and you have to send to me. Yes, sir. So this way, this material will be provided. What we will do, the questions we will be discussing in the class. What will I do? In your board notes only, I will copy this and I will paste it there, so that you need not refer a lot of PDFs. One standard, one simple PDF, your work is done. Yes, yes, sir. I hope this point is clear to everyone. And this is the important point where many students will struggle. So how to frame the answer? When coming to SBR, you know कि पूरा theory paper है. Practical, your consolidation part is there. I know that. But most of the part is what theory only. And you have to understand it. When coming to your IS and IFRS, you need not learn in detail. In our class, in our batch, we will do each and every standard in detail. I will say you, okay, this is the point which can come in your exam. Yes, understand that. And practice is important here. As I do questions, you have to do practice. Then only it will be good. Understand that. See, let me show you one more thing for your SBR IFRS 16 also. For IFRS 16 also, that is your leases, a very important part, a very important topic. See, these are the areas which are Very important. See, this important. So this way we will discuss the basic, we will do basic questions also. See, these are the basic questions which we understand in the class, and I write down also so that you get to know, okay sir, what are the points we have to mention it, so that you get an idea ki sir ye question aaya to these are the basic points which I have to write, this is the way I have to start my answer. So here also I provided the type 1 type 2 questions. Let me show you. uh, See, this is type 4 question that usually comes in your SBR exam, sale and lease back. So how should you start? These are the first points which you have to check in the question as well as write down this basic. Then these are the 6 important points which you have to mention so that you get the full marks. Yes. So I hope you got a basic idea, sir. Yes. Then so these are the details of the batch. Any query, or if you want to attend the, or if you want to enroll to the class, or if you want to attend the demo classes, you can connect with me at this number or to Chinmay sir. You can message us so that we will add you in a group. We will add you in a group. So from Sunday, that is your coming after 6 or 7 days, the classes will start. The first 5 classes, as mentioned, are demo. Attend it. If you like the way we teach, so you can enroll to the batch. As well as the classes will be online, Zoom. Recordings will be available on a platform where you will be getting your user ID. You can use that. You can access the recordings there. Yes, sir. As mentioned, 14,000 until you clear your paper, you can attend the live classes. Yes, sir. And one important thing, a big announcement is coming the next week at Super Infinity Education. So we will announce it. It's regarding a scholarship program. So be aware about it and try to be the first one to get the scholarship. For each subject, we are coming with a scholarship. So the details will be out soon. So wait for this opportunity. So it's a good opportunity if you're preparing for your ACCA exam for your March attempt. Understand that? Yes, sir. So with this, so I hope I have provided you the details of the batch. Any other queries, message me or Chinmay sir. Any other doubts regarding your FR, SBR? When coming to other professional papers, Chinmay sir will be taking your ATX and AFM. Yes, and the skill level also. Your FM, PM, tax, and I'll be taking your FR, as you know. So with this, so I hope you got an overview, an idea about the batch. As mentioned, any detail or any other point you want to understand, sir, what are the additional features, or can we get this also, that also, you can message to me or Chinmay sir. We will let you know. So with this, let me end the session. Bye bye. Have a good day. Signing off. Radhe Radhe to everyone.